Am I audible?
Yes, Deepak, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, I was talking about the Posar, so rather he just recently written the Connect, and that well-written post about how you guys can grow on Local Guide Connect and how to learn more about the new post and blah blah blah. And Posar,
Which one? Which one you're talking about?
Deepak,
Deepak?
you are not very clear. I mean, the sound is
Posar,
cracking. Yes.
Deepak, you're not audible.
Yeah, on mute, Deepak.
No, he's not audible.
No, audible. Okay.
No, please.
I only understood that he was talking about me. That's it.
Yes, he's talking
Sorry,
about
not
something.
like that.
Okay,
He
no
was,
problem.
Amberji, he was requesting for us to interact on Google Maps platform. That's what I understood, and Local Gates platform to be. And I have a request. There have been a couple of requests for something similar to some video for general public to be Google Gates video assistant.
Right. That's right.
Vandana or somebody else who have got that ready, then we can also give the link. Thank you. Over.
Yes, we will provide this video, recorded video link. And Kasif bhai,
Thank you.
Gigi.
ji,
So we are starting for local guides meetup, and I would like to request my sister Tejal. So she want to present something about Indian food. Tejal.
Tejal ma'am.
Yes, I am listening. Give me a 1 minute. I'm joining from the computer.
Yes, sure. तो हम इसी से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तेजल बहन की प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ से, और आज हम देखेंगे कि वो क्या हमें दिखा रही हैं अबाउट गुजराती, और इन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि वेज होगा तो मैं खाली दिखाऊंगी, वरना इसके अलावा नहीं दिखाऊंगी। मैंने कहा ठीक है। तो
For our international guest, yeah, okay. Over.
Yeah.
Tejal, I was requesting to continue in English so that our Arna and others are there. They can enjoy more. Over.
Yeah. Here I have prepared a small presentation of Indian food as well as Gujarat food. I have taken a few slides of the Gujarat food because basically I am from Gujarat. So we are a local guide to presenting the culture, food and lifestyle of our country. So first of all, I will share the Gujarati famous nasta with fafra and jalebi. It is made from chana dal, and this is the sweet dish, and this is the just like a fried puri with the chana dal flour. And this is not only Gujarati thali. The paneer sabzi is also that. The North Indian sweets are also that. This is called a jumbo thali. More than 56, 56 भोग बोलते हैं ना हम, तो वो this is available with the 56 kind of varieties of lassi, chash, basundi, paneer, kulcha. You can see the different type of rotis. Few rotis kulcha, and these are North Indian rotis, and others are different corner of the countries. So this is called as a jumbo thali. Earlier it was known as a Gujarati thali, but I would consider it is an Indian thali. You can go anywhere in the India, you will get this. This is basically typically village kind of food. This is not a roti, this is a rotla. Means it is a thick roti. and one is enough for one meal. This is the
Okay,
Gujarati
I'll
nashta.
back in just 5 minutes.
And this is the famous spices. Entire Indian country is using this spices. Whether they are a North Indian, whether they are South Indian, whether they are East India, center of the India, or uh, West Indian. All our basic requirement of Indian kitchens are this spices. Tadka for ghee, red chili, green chili, adrak, uh, curry leaves, and all this. These are basic. Without these things, we Indian female or Indian any cook, male or female, we cannot prepare our food. So, and this is the famous dish, undia. This is the just now that we have completed the season. Yesterday also we had this kesar ras and puri. And this is the basic nashta which we are using in day-to-day life. You will get this kind of food in anywhere in India, not only for Gujarat. This is the just like jumbo vada pav, and you can call this. I have another presentation. I was about to merge, but I forgot to merge the presentation. Then I'll go for another one. You must have tasted this kind of mukwas. This is the different kind of mukwas we Indian people are eating after meal. This is not only for mukwas. You can say this is a mouth freshener, and this kind of mouth freshener are helping in digestion of food. For example, in this picture, you can see the green pan. That is the one leaf. It is Nagarvelna pan. It is very good for digestion because it is full of fiber. Inside this pan, we are having we fill the gulkan. Gulkan means the leaf of the rose petals. Rose petals and sugar. We keep this rose petal and sugar for 1 or 2 months in a sunlight and make this. It will stop acidity. If you are having a problem of acidity, you must eat gulkan. It is very good for health. I will take you to the another presentation.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, no, yes.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Can you imagine which part of the country this food is?
It's Indian, like Kerala, ma'am.
Yes,
South-
exactly. No. It is a South Indian
India.
food.
South
This
India.
is the South Indian food. This is the Kela wafer. This is the very famous
This is
banana
this is
wafers.
Kela plate. Kela plate.
Yes, you can explain. Is this Pramod?
Yeah, it's banana leaf. Yeah, it's Kerala Sadhya.
Yes.
It is most famous in Kerala. It is
Yeah.
in the Onam celebration. We are all Kerala are celebrating with this Onam Sadhya.
Okay. You can explain in detail because I don't have much knowledge about this. So please continue. I feel very happy if you are sharing about that.
I am not much prepared, madam, but yeah, mostly in our Kerala are celebrating the Onam with the Onam Sadhya. We are preparing in in our Onam, there are a lot of curries. Mostly there are 3 pickles, that is mango pickle, ginger pickle, and lemon pickle. There are
Okay.
three pickles and some khichdi.
Pramod,
Yeah.
kindly permit me a little explanation. Tejal, quickly.
Yeah,
Carry on, sir.
No, just to add upon. No, we have 2-3 varieties in which is sadhya. That means for the functions or ceremonies. And then we have something special called Aramula, for example. Aramula Sadhya is a temple Sadhya where we get it's like 66 varieties served in one banana leaf, little, but then no cups and all like this, all served on fresh banana leaf. So the third variety, yes, even in our houses we make it. However, the main content is there is 4 pickles, 4 sweets like paisam we call our ghee. There are 4, and there will be at least 2 types of papads. That means 4 actually, and then banana chips and this again 4 varieties. That is the highest level. When we come down, we for all rituals we keep banana leaf in Kerala or in South as it is. This is my comment. Over.
Okay.
Sir, hello Tejal ji. I would like to add little bit. If you
Yes, sure.
What happens, everyone? There is a western coastal region complete. So what happens? Kerala as a state, it is completely a coastal region. But if we travel northwards along the western coast of India, so that coast, Malabar coast, it extends into Karnataka, then it goes into Maharashtra and ultimately goes to Gujarat. So what happens? The climate, food, the crops, the eating habits along the entire western coast, it is all the same. So if you come to coastal Maharashtra, then since Maharashtra is a very huge state, so in coastal Maharashtra also the same ditto.
Same.
Yeah. So it's
I'm about on that only because
so it is not very distinct of Kerala. In Maharashtra, if you come only just the coastal part, it's a huge part, Konkan. So in Konkan also you will find each and every dish like this. They are called different names like rice is there, curd, papad, Kerala chips, banana leaf, and it's all the same. I mean, like the different names are there. This is called amti, this is called kedi.
Yes, exactly. I'm coming on that only because I'm a little bit connected with Maharashtra because my parents were from Nashik. So I'm very fluent in. I can speak 4 languages: Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, English, and little bit in Sanskrit.
Wow,
so I was coming to that point only. Especially whenever I see the rice, first picture is in mind. My father would love to eat rice, and everyone was telling, "Ke ha, you are a pakka Maharashtrian because you are eating too much rice." So my father was a rice lover. So same Maharashtra people also love to eat rice, and especially amti. And I love to that taste amti, especially that black color wal amti. I don't remember the name.
Paisam is amti, right?
I don't know. So this is the I cannot give deep knowledge about that because I don't have. So this is the western coastal line food. Now I will come to the next my slide. Because so many people are non-veg, so I have added one photo, but I don't have any knowledge about that. What is that and what is this? So this is North Indian food that I know, but what is the name of that food? I'm not able to find because I have not seen any non-veg piece in my life. So maybe this is something like egg. This is the Punjabi sabji, and in third, I don't remember that. I would like to share one.
It's a biryani, chicken biryani.
You can guess that.
Curry leaves. Yeah, it's a chicken biryani with the eggs and chicken curry. And the other one is like, we call it curry pakora. That's what I can see.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sarfad, for sharing this knowledge. And my sister, before 4 years, she married to a North Indian family. So I would like to share one thing. They are having 2 types of food, kacha khana and pakka khana. this is what my family's experience. Kacha khana means the food which cook without paneer, and pakka khana means the food with sweet and paneer dish. हम लोग जैसे, as we are saying that we are having a nashta. The nashta means they are preparing dal, chawal, sabzi, roti, full dish. But if it is paneer is not used and sweet dish is not there, then it is kacha khana. And if it in the meal they are using paneer and sweet dish along with other varieties, that is called pakka khana. This is what I have the experience with my sisters-in-laws. So this is the paneer sabzi, kulcha roti, naan. This is the biryani. This is other curry. Yes.
You are Tejalji, you are right. But in North India, there is a difference in kacha khana and pakka khana. When you tell about the kacha khana, it's called roti, sabji, rice, and all these things. But when you go to the oil, fried, जैसे आप पूरी खा रहे हैं, कचौड़ी खा रहे हैं, पराठा खा रहे हैं, this is called pakka khana. And some of festivals, especially on festival like Holi, Diwali, and other things, we are prepared for the pakka khana for puja and other things also. So I want to include this in.
Okay, means pakka khana means it including heavy food.
हाँ, yeah, heavy
This
food.
is
पक्का खाना.
पनीर, राजमा is must.
हाँ वही ना, रेयरिस्ट, क्योंकि रोज पक्का खाना आप नहीं खा सकते हो. यू हैव टू कांट डाइजेस्ट एवरी डे, तो यू हैव टू वंस ए वीक या फिर 15 डे वीक यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द पक्का खाना. एंड नॉर्मली डेज में यू हैव टू टेक कच्चा खाना. दैट्स
ओके.
चलिए कंटिन्यू.
जैसे हमारा हांडवा जलेबी फाफड़ा होता है, वैसे आपका कच्चा खाना है, और हमारा मील, हमारा फीस्ट होता है, वैसे आपका पक्का खाना है. इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, प्रकाश जी.
यस,
इट्स लाइक बुफे मैडम.
राइट,
बुफे.
हाँ,
yes.
Buffet is the advanced word actually. Only buffet is something different.
Buffet is a different. I can say buffet means ke dishes are ready. You take your dish and eat whatever you want to eat. If you want to skip anything, you can skip. If I'm not wrong, you can give your opinion, Prakash bhai, and other seniors are there.
हाँ, buffet means होता है you nobody can serve you, खाना is ready for a place and anybody come and eat. That is called buffet.
Okay.
ठीक है ना, अब open for all. तो buffet is the basically this is the continental word. If I'm not wrong, maybe I'm wrong. So that is especially using in hotels. ठीक है ना, नोट इन लोकल लैंग्वेजेस. घर में हम बुफे वगैरह यूज नहीं करते हैं, जैसे स्टार्टर्स हो गए, ये चीजें हम यूज करते हैं व्हेन वी आर इन पार्टी एंड होटल्स.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I have prepared this presentation in very quick timing. So chalo, can you guess anyone what is this?
Dhokla.
Nahi. Gujarati it is. Yes,
Giver?
yes, this is giver.
Sweet.
This is the
without
okay,
a cream.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Giver. What is giver? जब इंडिया में सावन स्टार्ट होता है, दैट इज वी आर, हम जब पूजा करते हैं शिव जी की, एंड जब हम एक दूसरे के घर में जब फेस्टिवल्स को ऑन करते हैं, तो ये स्पेशली सावन में बनता है घेवर. दिस इज द स्पेशली डिश इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. अब आई डोंट नो इसको गुजरात में क्या कहते हैं. This is specially used in rainy season.
Okay.
In North India, yeah.
Few days before we are talking about the this sweet dish and few pictures I have seen that with mask also people are standing in a long line for buying this giver. So I thought कि let me share this picture with you.
रुको मैं दिखाता हूँ. रुको मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ.
Thank you so much. Let me stop the presentation. मैं स्टॉप करती हूँ.
नहीं, एक सेकंड.
ओ बाप रे, मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया.
अरे आई कांट यूज विदाउट अ प्रेजेंटेशन, सॉरी. मेरे पास गिवर डाला हुआ था, मैं उसको दिखा रहा था.
हाँ दिखाओ ना.
नहीं, कैमरा यूज नहीं कर सकता मैं उस वक्त प्रेजेंटेशन के टाइम पे. चलो करो, आप करो.
तो 2 शब्द बता दूं घेवर पे.
सिर्फ 2 शब्द. अनिल जी
देखो अब दिख रहा है आपको,
Yes,
ये
yes.
बचा हुआ है,
अमरीश जी तैयारी करके बैठे हो
है।
आप तो, हैं? या दिस इज गेवर।
यही बचा हुआ पीस है, थोड़ा सा बचा है।
एक्चुअली सावन में नॉर्थ इंडिया में जो लड़कियां होती हैं उनके घर पे जो फैमिलीज होती हैं, एज ए गुड विशेष टोकन में ये घेवर भेजा जाता है। दिस इज, मैं ये पर्टिकुलर में नॉर्थ इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पर उसको एक लोकल वर्ड में बताता हूँ आपको। सावन में हमारे यहाँ कोथली जाती है। आई डोंट नो अदर स्टेट्स में क्या होता है। उसमें क्या होता है, घर की जो लड़की होती है वहाँ पर कुछ सामान जो न्यू सीजन होता है उससे रिलेटेड भेजा जाता है, खाने पीने का सामान। तो सावन में जब भेजा जाता है तो उसको स्पेशली वी हैव टू यूज सेंडिंग घेवर। जैसे होली पे गुजिया भेजते हैं, पापड़ भेजते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो दिस इज यूज एज ए स्वीट्स घेवर इन रेनी सीजन। अमरीश जी आई थिंक मैं करेक्ट हूँ?
बहुत सर, बट स्पेशली फॉर मैरिड डॉटर्स।
अरे ऑब्वियसली मैरिड होगी तभी तो दूसरे के घर जाएगी यार।
Am I audible?
या
हाँ,
This is the Rajasthani dish, dal bati. This is the made of wheat flour. This is the gatta ki sabji, means and basically this Rajasthani food are used only ghee. They don't use oil. Rarely they are used oil in their food because of the climate of Rajasthan. This is the dal bati and gatta ki sabji. This is the main famous food of the Rajasthan. This is what I have found of the today's session. I hope you all like this.
great, ma'am. Thank you for the presentation. काशिफ भाई,
यस, बहुत बढ़िया,
तो चलिए
बहुत
मैं-
ही जबरदस्त प्रेजेंटेशन थी। तो
काशिफ जी मुंह में
ये-
पानी आ गया कि नहीं?
बहुत। मैं तो तेजल बहन से
प्रकाश बोल
हमेशा
रहा हूँ
कहता
सर।
हूँ कि मैं जी प्रकाश भाई, आपका नाम, तस्वीर, सब चीजें आ रही हैं।
तेजल मैडम,
Amrish bhai, send to me here. Amrish bhai, that was looks delicious.
तेजल मैडम एक बार दिखाओ, वो एक बार पिक्चर दिखाओ बाटी
You
वाली।
eating alone, you see, making us to feel.
इधर आओ, उधर बंगाली को
तो
चलिए।
यार अमरीश भाई, थोड़ी सी वो मैं मैप्स के गूगल मैप्स के बारे में मैं कुछ छोटी सी बात कर दूं। हलाल कर देना ये भी हम।
हाँ हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
जो इसको भी तो हलाल करना है कि नहीं करना है?
बिल्कुल
तो,
बिल्कुल शुरू करो भाई, फिर टाइम नहीं बचेगा नहीं तो।
हाँ बस बंद ये
नहीं
मारिया,
तो खाने पीने में निकल जाएगा टाइम।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तेजल मैडम एक बार वो दिखाओ ना, एक बार दिखाओ ना प्लीज।
क्या दिखाऊं?
यार ये अनिल भाई,
अनिल जी आज
एक झलक दिखा दो, एक झलक दिखा दो।
अनिल जी घर का ही खा लो आज।
नहीं, वो बाटी की सब्जी दिखा रही है, बाटी और गट्टा की सब्जी। एक झलक दिखा के निकल लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
दिखा रहे हैं क्या तेजल?
दिखा दिया ना?
आ रहा है, रुक जाओ। हाँ अनिल भाई देख लो।
अनिल जी सेव कर लो इसको आगे के लिए।
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
ओके, कंटिन्यू।
तो हाँ बहुत शुक्रिया तेजल, बहुत ही जबरदस्त आपने प्रेजेंटेशन दी है और यही आपसे वो थी, हमें एक्सपेक्टेड थी। डॉक्टर डेल,
बहुत कम टाइम मिला तो इतना अच्छा नहीं बना पाई।
चले कि खैर है, बस वो खाने में अच्छा हो, दिखने में अच्छा हो ना हो। तो गूगल नहीं बस जबरदस्त है, जबरदस्त है। तो मैं असल में एक छोटी सी बात करना चाह रहा था गूगल मैप्स के बारे में, कि जो आज जो मीटअप हमने किया, आधा हमने रखा था क्राउड सोर्स के लिए और जितनी मुझसे हो सकी, मैं थोड़ा सा वीक हूँ इंग्लिश में, तो अब वो किसी ने, पता नहीं किसने मुझे कहा था कि इंग्लिश में बात करो, अब मैं इसलिए थोड़ा सा वो हो गया था, कंफ्यूज हो गया था अचानक।
दीपक और
दीपक भाई
DG सर।
हाँ, दीपक भाई तो मैं पूछ लूंगा, तो वो उससे मैं जो है कंफ्यूज हो गया।
नहीं, वो ट्रेवलर जी ने एक्चुअली ये बोला था कि कुछ ना इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट है तो आप इंग्लिश में बोलो, दैट्स द पॉइंट उन्होंने रेज किया था।
हाँ, बस वो थोड़ा सा वो हो गया ना, बिल्कुल डबल माइंड हो गया उस टाइम पे दिमाग में। आपको पता है, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए पहले बहुत कुछ सोचना पड़ता है, तो ये अभी हमारी ये जो वंदना बहन है या ईशा बहन है, तो हम इनके तो है नहीं।
पता है क्या,
चलो,
सुनो, वो दिक्कत नहीं थी,
बहुत कुछ
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप अपना वो करो कंटिन्यू। आपको लोकल गाइड का अपना फिनिश हो गया हमारा मीटअप, मैं स्टॉप कर दूं रिकॉर्डिंग?
बस अब चलने दे अभी 2-5 मिनट। मैं खाली एक चीज आपको बताना चाह रहा था कि इंडिया से ईशा आज से ऑफिशियली वन एक्सेसिबिलिटी की टीम मेंबर हो गई है, जो कि इंटरनेशनल एक एक्सेसिबिलिटी की टीम है। तो उनको मुबारकबाद है बहुत बहुत। वो आज हमारे साथ मीटअप में भी मौजूद है, तो मैं उनको मुबारकबाद देना चाह रहा था।
कांग्रेचुलेशन ईशा भाई, वेरी गुड।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
कांग्रेट्स ईशा। चलो, रोजी मैम भी आ गई।
थैंक यू रोजी मैम।
तो
कांग्रेचुलेशन।
थैंक यू ऑल, थैंक यू काशिफ जी।
अच्छा काशिफ भाई, काम करो, कितने लोग हाथी हो? 17 लोग। इनको बताओ कैसे ज्वाइन करें उस टीम को।
वो टीम, हाँ मैं आपको बिल्कुल बताता हूँ। वो टीम आप इस तरीके से मतलब वो टीम असल में है कॉन्टिनेंट बेसिस पे। जैसे एशिया से मैं हूँ, अफ्रीका से ये चिनोन्सो है, और यूरोप से ईशा है, और एक जो मेरे साथ जो जैन होती हैं, जो मीटअप हम करते हैं एक्सेसिबिलिटी के, वो हैं। और साउथ अमेरिका से
नहीं, दैट इज मेड बाय गूगल और मेड बाय लोकल
अनऑफिशियल एक वो
दिस इज अनऑफिशियल ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ल्ड है। यस,
this is the unofficial accessibility group of the world, and Emeka is the founder of this team, and he added us all. Yes, he added us all, and every month we have different tasks to post and all about accessibility research and post. तो ये हमारी जो रिसर्च करते हैं, पोस्ट करते हैं, जी बिल्कुल। तो उससे हमको क्या सीखने का बहुत सारा। तो बस आप कोशिश करें, और मैं आज जितने भी हैं, हालांकि आप लोग सारे मेरे सीनियर हैं, मगर एक चीज मैं